Many parts of the country are seeing an uptick in whooping cough cases, and Western New York is no exception. Most patients are children or adolescents, but adults are also affected. News 4's medical expert Dr. Peter Ostro explains how to protect yourself and your children.
The state of Washington has declared an epidemic of whooping cough, or pertussis, with 10 times as many cases this year as they had a year ago. We are also seeing a dramatic increase in reported cases. In 2009, Erie County had only 15 cases. By 2010, it almost doubled to 27. Last year, it increased 5 times to 148. And this year, from January through April, we've had 6 times as many cases as the same time in 2011. Why is that? County Health Commissioner Dr. Gail Burstein says part of that increase is due to more testing.
More providers are aware that we have pertussis in the community, so there's more testing being conducted. So more people are being tested, and so we're seeing more positive tests. But we also may be seeing more pertussis in the community.
In New York State, almost all kids are vaccinated. Recent developments have made the vaccine very safe, but we now know that the immunity isn't permanent.
Even with after a natural pertussis infection, the natural immunity only lasts for about 8 to 10 years. So I'm not sure that anyone expected that this vaccine would last forever, but we didn't really know how long it would last.
And that's why we may need to have more vaccinations continuing into adulthood. We know that infants, who are most likely to have severe infections, get pertussis from the adults around them.
So any adult who may come in contact with an infant, say like a mother or a father or a grandparent or sibling, they all need to have a pertussis vaccine. We do have pertussis in our community, so that's why it's really important to be vaccinated and try to protect yourself as much as you can.
Adults with pertussis don't make that whooping sound that infants do, but it's a cough that can last a long time. In fact, it used to be called the 100-day cough. If you have a cough that really hangs on, you might want to get tested. For News 4, I'm Dr. Peter Ostro of the UB Medical School.